gonna be honest with you. Sometimes I really don't know where to start this video. But it is a diary. I'm gonna be honest. Today I felt like just starting off by yapping. You know. Today's a Tuesday. Time is 9 minutes to 5. Last week at this time, this was like gonna be such a difficult thing to do. So every Tuesday, I have a prayer with the boys. Wake up at 4:30. Time to go to devotion. That's all the background music is gospel. And where am I, manners, man? If it's the first time on this channel, my name is LJ. I document the journey. Honestly, yeah, I document the journey. Forex trader. I do think I'm profitable. If you wanna stick around to the journey until I make a lot of money, I don't know why one would be watching this though. Maybe I should even start there, But stick around to see how far I can take this, I'm in the beginning stages of my profitability as a trader, so there's still a long way to go.
And so here we see a couple of things. We see that we are given gifts, and those gifts come from God, and they're not changing.
2.6, just bought the thing. Honestly, I feel like I bought a double account with extra steps. That's how I felt. That's how I felt yesterday when I was thinking about doing something. Am I just buying a double account with extra steps? But it's whatever. The justification in my head is that it's gonna hold me accountable and stuff. Yeah, I'm actually really excited. And here are the rules. That's not rules. Number one, only things I can be trading is NASDAQ and gold. Let's skin $10 per trade. Gold is gonna be a very tricky one. Because there's a setup I saw yesterday on gold. But when I played it out in MT4, it required $20. So that means I can't take it since it's not $10. Every position I hold should have a stop loss. That's a non-negotiable. For the moment, I do take a loss because it's one thing that's guaranteed in this game. I just remind myself of one. I thought it's just a loss. I'm still a flipping profitable trader. It's not a big deal. Other than that, it looks like I have 12 chances. That's how I'm looking at it. But yeah, I'm very excited. I actually do feel positive about it, but let's do this thing and see and go around afterwards, pretty much. So that's the time. I'm going on a light jog. 1 kilometer, maybe 20 minutes in, and I was thinking, going to stop because I'm tired. Just because I was just thinking, every time I do this, don't worry, it's the Apple Watch, don't worry. Every time I do that, just I want to say manifesting, visualizing it, feeling it, imagining how it be when I'm using it. You get it? So I'm busy with my assignment currently. Today, I looked at the charts already. Not really interested in anything. No. NASDAQ. People would like to see it just push up. Do you go up? Right now, I don't really not care in participating in it. Gold, on the other hand, I'm sort of eyeing the 15-minute. I want to see how we're gonna approach this level right here. Then if we approach it nicely, then I might just start playing around with limit orders. Keyword might. But other than that, I'm not really bummed about it. I'm not really I see it, and he knows I see it, but you know what I'm saying? It's alright, it's alright. So there it is. Submission, my brother. Submission. We have submitted, my brother. trading advice that nobody's ever asked for is that you should label your money where it goes before it labels you. You should label. So this doesn't mean like every single day, just making sure like, and like, what do I not really want to spend the money on, you know? So yeah, I just came on the bank and opinion. Traditional shaving is shit, man. That's a long day of side quest. Okay, I wanna call pops. But yeah, the thing I was saying about traditional saving, right? So basically, me and that lady were like 300 per month for 8 years, right? But regardless, the figure she showed me was like 33,000. Then after like the 8 years, it's gonna be like 45,000. I'm like, that's disgusting. That's like, yo, you know? But it's whatever. For my figures, it might be less. Because I think that one also did it for like 315. So it's terrible. Okay, just woke up from a nap. Look. The gold looks like it's the only thing that did something. Genuinely thought like this thing wasn't gonna happen, but it happened. Broke there, went back up. Falls up, could have taken that sell. And seeing what's happening and like, you know, within the trade, but I'm not bummed. Do I wanna take it? No. So yeah, other than that, I guess I'm not interested for the rest of the day. Okay, I'm about to sleep. It's like 2:11. I saw like a setup I like on gold. I like, but I didn't enter it out. Just wanna see how it's gonna look in the morning. And it's like nice relative equal lows. But I'm good. I was gonna enter off like a minute rebalance, but like just eyeing it, I was just like, it's gonna look like more than $10. So I was just like, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll see. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. I'm about to make up a bed. I don't know if you can see that. But let's check. Yesterday before going to sleep, I was acting weird on gold. You know, I was like, gold. Why does it seem like you're asking for too much? If it taps down there, goes up, we're getting in. That's for sure. But other than that, yeah, let's see what day holds. I'm just gonna do some computer stuff. See, now we can take our first trade. We have like this thing's broken here, pushed down, we'll favor the gap nicely. So we're going to see if it can allow me to like, you know, risk $10 on this gold trade and try to take a sell. There we go. Have it less than $10. Wait, I was about to press the wrong one. Here it is. Place. So yeah, that will be the first trade. We'll see if it plays out. So at this point, where you remind yourself, hey, if it does not play out, well, that's okay. Would I take this setup over and over again? Yeah, I would. You know, we don't want to see it go below here into this old daily family gap. So from wherever it is to that family gap, that would be a very phenomenal trade. So yeah, we're about to get initiated with an entry or 2 minutes too. Just want to see how it looks more on the lower time frame. That's an email. Oh, there we are in. The kid. Verkent. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens for the next 30 seconds. I thought like it was just gonna plummet, but it's chilling. But yeah, let's do this. So I'm out here walking with my friends, and they say I might want to close my sell position. I had to take out the phone for this one. I want him to explain. I want him to explain. Shit! It actually went up. It actually went up. But I don't know, I still have faith, man. Still have faith. So where do you think we're going? Here's the daily. Think we're breaking that high?
Yes. Not today, maybe tomorrow.
Now we'll see, man. I will see. We've committed to this idea, so it's fine. So we're back, and now it's back to $5, Baba. It's like less than the initial risk. So you have faith, alright? It's not coming down anytime soon, eh?
Yes.
I will see. We've committed, my brother. Morning. The time is 23 minutes to 6. I already like reflected on my trade. So this is what it's looking like, right? Then like after like just checking the limit, yesterday I could have like sold again and like risked about $2. But like I was just so not there for a trade. I was already like over it. So it's going well. Yeah, when I was looking at the chart yesterday, I wish I could show you. I could show you. Let's jump to the laptop and let me just show you. So here it is. We're looking at gold, right? So yesterday I could have entered here when price was just above this area right here. Contemplating taking this high here, like with the limit order, with the stop at there. But I don't know, I was just not confident in the trade. But every time I would look at like this price structure, right, I was just like saying like I believe in this so much, right? Then I started saying I wonder if this candlestick like just tapped a bit though and gave me more relatively looking lows. Oh, then yeah, when price did this run back, I would have like just took it on the trade. You know, I just said, hey dog, I'm below risk. It's not like I'm like trying to dull my account type situation, you know. But again, if price does give me that today, this relative equal source, and does a pullback, oh, can't believe that we're getting in this time. But other than that, I genuinely do think today we're just gonna push with this momentum, especially waking up to this leg. I don't know, I'm really confident in this trade. The trade is over, my nigga. Look at that. No doubt that it's over now. Alright, no doubt that it's over. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole trade. Midpoint of that daily favorite gap. We'll see what happens. But other than that, yeah, if you like the video, do leave a thumbs up. If you like the vibes, subscribe.